Busy schedules call for smart kitchen tech. The lineup of Samsung Bespoke sliding gas ranges make cooking effortless, so you can enjoy what really matters. With a variety of stunning finishes and a sleek modern design, these premium ranges are built to elevate your look with other Bespoke appliances or pair seamlessly with any kitchen setup. I love being able to control my appliances from anywhere, whether I'm in another room or heading home after an evening out. Built-in Wi-Fi connects with the SmartThings app, letting you preheat the oven, adjust the temp, set cook times, and more. Perfect for those busy moments. Moving through the lineup, all models offer at least 6 cubic feet of capacity and up to 17,000 BTU burners, with the 8300 introducing convection and air fry. Air fry is a game changer for my family. Quicker, crispier results for pizza, leftovers, or chicken tenders for the kids. And it's one less small appliance taking up valuable counter space. The 8500 and up models take it one step further with Convection Plus, circulating only hot air for faster, more even cooking. They also feature air sous vide, locking in flavor for steak, fish, or veggies with low temp vacuum sealing, then finishing off with a perfect sear. Getting hungry yet? Specific to the 8550, it has a larger 6.3 cubic foot capacity to accommodate Flex Duo. This lets you split the oven and cook 2 different dishes at once, cooking multiple entrees at the same time at different temperatures. Featuring an 18,000 BTU dual ring brass burner, the 8500 is ideal for sauteing, searing, and stir frying. Whatever the menu, all options are on the table. The 8550 and 8700 step it up a notch with 23,000 BTUs. Great for homemade pasta night with the family, hosting parties, or searing that steak to perfection. All models come with edge-to-edge cast iron grates, accommodating different cookware sizes, plus a center burner for the griddle, ideal for pancakes, eggs, and smash burgers. The 8700 adds in a 2-in-1 reversible griddle, offering a ridge side for grill marks on chicken, steak, or veggies without firing up the grill outside. I'm game for that. And check out this display. The 2.25-inch LCD smart dial featured on the 8500 and up puts everything at your fingertips. It's sleek, easy to clean, and simply stunning. The tech upgrades continue with the smart oven camera on the 8700. I'm a very social host, so this would let me keep an eye on dinner without opening the door or check the progress while I'm hanging outside in the patio. Explore the lineup of Samsung Bespoke sliding gas ranges at your local Best Buy, on bestbuy.com, or the app, where you can always connect with an expert. I'll see you in the kitchen.